Here I have DOOGEE X55, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So first of all, you have to hold down power key and select power off here. And after your phone completely turns off, you just have to hold down combination volume up and power key for a few seconds. And the boot mode menu will appear on screen. Use volume up to navigate through the menu and volume down to select options. Here you have options like recovery mode, fast boot mode and normal boot. If you want to exit boot mode and just restart your device, select the last option, normal boot. Phone will be restarted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.